Your projects have met their match. Introducing the Work Switch Driver. With 2 rotating chucks, you can switch between bits in a second and get your projects done twice as fast. Say goodbye to all the hassle of an ordinary drill. Switch in a second from drilling to driving, Phillips to flat, drill bit to paddle bit, screwdriver to socket. Power through your projects faster and easier with the most innovative drill driver available, the Work Switch Driver. Get yours today.
Whether you're setting up an elaborate holiday light display, running an outdoor extension cord for a water feature, or trying to protect cord connections on the job site, the Twist & Seal family of products has got you covered. Literally. The Mini is specifically designed to protect holiday light cord connections. With its 5-latch enclosure, built-in strain relief, and rubber gasketed seal, you'll finally be able to kick back and enjoy your hard work, even when the weather sets in. Trying to protect multiple cord connections or an entire power strip? With over an 11-inch diameter of interior space, flexible curved edges, and integrated ground stakes, the Cord Dome is a game changer. Easily protect a power hub for outdoor entertainment or oversized plug heads for an RV. So enjoy the fun. The Cord Dome has got you covered. The Cord Protect is your go-to for light and medium-duty extension cords. The patented sealing system and built-in strain relief are a perfect way to protect connections on water pumps, yard tools, and outdoor entertainment lights. It's never been easier to keep your outdoor cord connections dry all season long. If you're a contractor or use heavy-duty extension cords, the Max should be in your toolbox. With its large capacity and robust cord relief horns, the Max is ready for the job site. The gasketed sealing system accommodates cords from 10 to 16 gauge, and the commercial-grade plastic ensures that it can take a beating. So stop wrangling with plastic bags and electrical tape. Take control of your outdoor cord connections. Get smart. Get safe. Get Twist & Seal.
Whether you're on a job at a work site or in the basement workshop, Yellow Jacket has you covered with the 8-outlet power block with 2.4 amp USB. This power block was designed with durability and reliability in mind to stand up to common worksite abuse and comes with a built-in handle and cord wrap for portability. The addition of 2 USB ports features super-fast 2.4 amp charging power for any USB-powered device. The lighted on-off switch with a 15 amp circuit breaker provides your equipment with protection against electrical overload.
We all know how stressful it is to encounter problems with your tires, especially if you're stuck with a flat in a remote area and you don't have a spare on hand. Well, now you can have guaranteed peace of mind with the reliable and universal Fortum Digital Tire Inflator. With a maximum pressure value of 150 psi, this robust, powerful inflator takes care of your inflation needs on a number of different vehicles, from cars to RVs, filling your tires so you can get back on the road. And because the inflator is light and portable, you can be sure that you're never without it. This handy tool has numerous uses, from blowing up bike tires, air mattresses, and even sports balls. The inflator includes nozzle attachments to fill all of these. It has a compact, lightweight, and portable design. It automatically shuts off at the desired pressure to prevent overinflation. It has a large, easy-to-read display gauge for simple PSI reading. It has a built-in LED flashlight for roadside emergencies. And it has an extra-long power cord to reach any deflated tire.
The Maxa Park Right parking mat signals you to stop your car before hitting walls, bikes, mowers, or trash cans in your garage. The parking mat is easy to install. Position the mat at your ideal parking spot. Then use the included heavy-duty tape to keep the mat in place park after park. The parking mat helps you perfectly park any type of vehicle. Whether it is a car, SUV, van, light truck, or even a golf cart or RV, you'll park in the perfect spot. Now you can use your remaining garage space for storage and organization. After you hit the first hump, the second larger hump signals you to stop. You'll know you are parked right. Use the Park Right parking mat to get the most out of your garage while protecting your car and belongings from parking mishaps. Available in black, red, and yellow.